Number 35. The diagram shows a food web. How many organisms are feeding at more than one trophic level? The easiest way to solve this problem is to look at the organism and see how many organisms that particular organism consume. So for eagle, it consumes hare, rabbit, grouse. So three things, right? And these guys all consume heather. So this eagle is actually feeding at more than one trophic level. So eagle is one. Let's look at stoat. Okay, stoat also consumes shrew, rabbit, and hare as well, and these guys all consume heather, and this one consumes beetle as well. So that's number 2. So stoat feeds at more than one trophic level. And let's look at grouse. So grouse consume both heather and beetle. So that's another one. So the answer is D. So grouse is feeding at more than one trophic level. So it's feeding with the producer as well as the primary consumer. So it's feeding at more than one trophic level. 3. Okay, so the answer is 3 for this one. I mean D.